all need water to live. Without water, there is no life. It is one of the essential elements of our daily lives, whether visible or invisible to the eyes. It is required in almost everything we do, from quenching our thirst to bathing, cooking, washing and producing food and goods on a large scale. When you conserve water, you save environment, your hard-earned money and also millions of lives. Treating this precious resource with care will help keep our environment sustained and favorable for living beings. As per the research, the freshwater resource is limited on Earth. All through 71% of the Earth's surface comprises water, out of which about 96.5% is not suitable to human consumption. This leaves us with very limited resources that can be utilized. According to the World Health Organization, by the year 2030, 40% of India's population will have no access to drinking water. 6% of India's GDP will be lost due to this devastating crisis. About 21 cities will run out of water by 2025, affecting 100 million people. The alarming results show that the demand will be much higher than the supply. If we continue to waste such valuable resources without proper consumption, protocols and practices, how do the living beings survive? As an industrialist, agriculturist or healthcare provider, it falls under your duty what sort of action you are taking to conserve water. As an individual, we must conserve water if we want to survive. Similarly, if the industries keep on using water recklessly, a huge scarcity of water will be there. Cost of water will rise and eventually it is going to increase the production cost and reduce profitability. If we want to keep our industries running with ease and in viable mode, we must conserve water and recycle the wastewater generated. Imemflo has been developed to fulfill your conservation and recycling idea. Save water to save the future.